can't. I can't. They're blocked away.
No, right now. Hey, girls.
Welcome to the Incredicoaster. I'm Elastigirl. For your safety, make sure you pull down on the shoulder restraints and the blocks in place. Keep your head firmly against the headrest and remain seated with your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside out.
Go?
You don't need to.
Yeah, it's fine. I'm wearing mine, so it doesn't matter. It's perfect.
This is awesome. Look at the front.
Huh?
Head back, face forward, hold on. Oh my god. Go back. Oh my god.
There you go, there you go.
That's our Pixar hotel.
Yeah, yeah.
5, 4,
Oh, it is.
3, 2, 1, go!
Yeah, I didn't notice that.
I didn't either. That was good, right, girls?
You are tremendous, darling. You make your Auntie Edna so proud.
That was fun.
Yeah,
The front is awesome.
Sorry that got a little
totally.
crazy.
It's actually less scary.